my channel. It's me, Lasagna with Miss Dawes Handmade Creation. Today I come to show you the new, well, it's not the newest one, but the Tonic craft kit. I'm still playing catch up, guys. So let's get to it. I'm out of breath, running all over. Alright, so let's take out all the goodies here so we can get to this kit. I'm excited to see. I don't even remember what's in here. Alright, so first let's start with the papers. Comes in this awesome sleeve. Ooh, I already see something I love. Okay, let me get this out. Get the little piece of paper out of here. Alright, this one is Craft Kit 55. Bureau Bloom Box, that's the name of it. So let's look at these papers. So the first paper is the classic card sheet, I think. It says you're supposed to have two. I don't see two. Maybe it's in here somewhere. There it is. So you get two of the classic card white. Never go wrong with that. This one is a glitter card, and this one is called Candy Floss. I definitely have to get some of this. Candy Floss, beautiful. Then we have the pearlescent card, and this is white pearlescent card. Very pretty, I love using that one. Then we got classic card. I think this one is Blossom Pink. I love the weave pattern in these classic cards. The next one is a specialty card. Let me see. I'm trying to find it on this paper here. This is a iridescent mirror card, Seafoam Green. I have this one. I love this green. Seafoam Green. Then we got a classic card, Raspberry Pink. This is a beautiful palette. Love it. Then we have, which one is the old classic card? This is a classic card, green, grass green. Yeah, I'm loving this pinks, the pinks and the greens. This is beautiful. Then we have the specialty card. This one is called Ice Rink. Look at that pattern on there. Can y'all see that? I love the texture. Very pretty, and I think I have that one. And then last but certainly not least, I'm loving that they keep doing this, and this is the what's the name they named it? Bureau Bloom Box pattern paper. Seems fitting. So they are double-sided paper. So this first one has images of foliage with little dots in between. And then the reverse side is the pink polka dot. Absolutely love it. So that y'all can see these are double-sided, guys. Absolutely love it. Super cool palette. Very spring, guys. Very spring. Love the colors. I'm to get some more of that glitter pink. It's about to place an order, so I might as well go and add that on there. Alright, so let's look at the goodies that were on the outside. So this time we got a double-ended glue pen. I still have not tried these glue pens. Y'all know I love my Nouveau Deluxe adhesive. But if that one's good, I know the rest of them are good. So I think it's a liquid. Yeah, you can see I'm doing it there. I haven't tried it. Oh, I can see it in there. Yeah, so I'm pretty sure it's good. Then we got a Nouveau stamp cleaning cloth. Yes, honey. Yes, because I do have a cloth that I use, but it'd be so nice to be able to use a different one. Have multiple. I'll go ahead and open this. Actually, why is it so stiff? Oh, I think because do you put water on it? Oh, it's got pieces on it. What is this? Something stuck to it. I don't want to pull it. I'm thinking you're supposed to put water on it. Trash. cleaning steps and all crafting areas. So you can use it to clean your area too. When dry, the cloth can become very rigid. To rectify this, simply add a small amount of water until the cloth returns to its soft state. So you have to put it in water. I mean, yeah, right, dog? You're cleaning. Oh my gosh. Okay. Cool. Love it. Leave that out because I need to make sure ooh, I like that bag. Keep the bag. All right. So the next thing, I'm going to go in the Nuvo bag. Let's see what we got. Love, love, love these. Ooh, first thing I see. Ooh, beautiful. Some ribbon. This is 5mm long by 9mm wide. And this is double satin, sweet pink. Beautiful. Yes, you know I love that ribbon. All right, so it looks like this month we have some, what is this called? I forgot. This is the shimmer powder, and I do have this one. It's called Green Parade. And this is when you look at that image on the front, when you tap it out before you add water, it makes this image when you add that water to it. Multiple colors. Love this. Nuvo drop. This is a Nuvo glitter drop. Don't know if I have this one. This one is called Enchanting Pink. Look how pretty. Enchanting Pink. Love it. Then we got some more Nuvo Glimmer Paste. Glimmer Paste. And this one is, oh, okay, Nubella Nephrite. I don't know, but there's the word. It is a green, and it has glimmer inside. That's a pretty color. It's got gold and greens, different shades of greens. This is so pretty. I don't know if I have that one or not, so I'll leave them in the bags until I find out. If not, they go into my giveaway. So when I give somebody Happy Mail or in a swap, if I have 3 of something or close to it, then I'll add it to their packages. This is what I'm looking for. Look at this palette. That is so pretty. All right, so we got Nuvo. What is these called? I want to make sure I'm saying the right word. They're just calling them marker pens. So this one is Peapod, 412 Peapod. Love, love, love. I don't have that color. I might have a duplicate of these because you know I like the pinks. And then these two here, 449 is Delicate Rose, and 452 is Pink Taffy. These are nice, and I like how they have it. Where somebody told me, I watched one of the Tonic studio videos, and if y'all didn't know, look at the difference here, because you know how sometimes we grab it and like which end is the fine tip. It has a gray band around it, so you can see it. This end does not. There's the gray band, if y'all didn't know that. And it has the nib. Isn't that nice to know that? Learn something new every day. So on this side, see, it doesn't have that gray, but that's the chisel end. Again, has that gray nib, but you can see it. See around the edge? Love, love, love. Learn something new every day, guys. So you don't have to be opening and closing, you know. Sometimes you get the color in and then you're like, oh my gosh, wrong end. So there you go. So let's move this out of the way and let's get to the die. Yes, honey. Always comes in this folder. Ooh, we got instructions again. Very good. And then you have books that they send in the kit. Every third kit, you get another binder. You're able to add these in the binders, just in case you didn't know. All right, so the first thing I like to do, Bureau Bloom box. I'll open it and I'll put this right on top. So when I'm looking through my binders, I know which one is what. All right, so first let's look at these beautiful stamps. Look at that image. Those flowers are pretty. Thanks, enjoy, hugs for you, always love. I love the flowers in here. Then you got 2 leaves there. Very nice. All right, so with the bureau, all right, where's the picture? Because, okay, one sheet of instructions again. Oh, now I remember what this is. It makes this image here. Ooh. One thing, 2 of these, 4 of those. Boom. And you can also do the decorating. Now I see it. Okay. I love that they have the extra panels that you can use to cut out. So you need 2 of these and 4 of these, guys, to make this box. And look at the little labels. This one has dots. This is like bigger dots. This is smaller dots. And on this one is the layering pieces. I love that. These layering pieces. Look at the little cute tag. This will go on the sides. These are embossing. Some flowers, some leaves. And then these have words that either cut out or emboss. Look like they cut out. Hugs, XOXO, love, and kiss. Yes. Love, love, love. Love it when they do that. So here is the image so y'all can see what it looks like. This box right here is what it's creating. You really still can't see it. But this box, so cute. You can stamp it with that stamp die here, just like you see it here, and color it. And then you got the markers today too, so that's awesome to color with those colors. So y'all let me know what you think, guys. Did y'all get this kit? I know I'm late to the party because y'all know what happened, but I'm absolutely loving it. And I'm only, I know the other one is on its way. I got my notification, so I said, let me hurry up and do this one so I can have it done. But I can't wait to put this one together, see if I really like the box. It looks cute, and it looks easy to put together. That's what I love. So y'all let me know what you think, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, bye-bye.